Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting topics in the digital currency world: what is the next big cryptocurrency of 2023? As the crypto market continues to evolve and surprise us, we'll explore some promising contenders and factors that could shape the future of digital currencies. So, if you're looking to invest or just curious about the crypto landscape, stick around because we've got some intriguing insights for you. Number 1, the state of the crypto market. Let's take a quick look at the current state of the cryptocurrency market in 2023. It's been a wild ride since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009, and now the market boasts thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few others have consistently dominated the scene, but could 2023 be the year when a new player steals the spotlight? Number 2, promising contenders. Now, let's talk about some of the promising contenders for the title of the next big cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and speculative, so do your own research before investing. That said, here are a few to watch. Solana, Sol. Solana has been making waves with its high-speed, low-cost blockchain. Its ability to handle a vast number of transactions per second, TPS, and its growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, make it a strong contender. Polkadot. Polkadot's unique approach to interoperability and scalability has caught the attention of many developers and investors. Its parachain model allows for easy integration of new blockchains, potentially ushering in a new era of cross-chain compatibility. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche boasts a highly scalable platform and has positioned itself as an ideal choice for launching custom blockchain networks. Its focus on decentralization and security is something to watch closely. Cardano, ADA. Cardano has been in the spotlight for a while, and 2023 could be a critical year for its development. With the introduction of smart contracts on its platform, it might give Ethereum a run for its money. Algorand, Algo. Algorand's focus on creating a blockchain for the future of finance has gained attention. Its blockchain is built with security, scalability, and speed in mind. Number 3, factors influencing the next big cryptocurrency. It's essential to consider the factors that might influence the rise of the next big cryptocurrency in 2023. Let's dive into a few key factors. Technology and innovation. The underlying technology and innovation behind a cryptocurrency play a significant role. Speed, scalability, and security are crucial aspects. Newer blockchains with innovative features might have an edge. Adoption and partnerships. The level of adoption and strategic partnerships can significantly impact a cryptocurrency's growth. Collaboration with businesses, governments, and other blockchain projects can lead to wider usage. Market sentiment. Market sentiment and trends play a vital role in the crypto market. Social media, influencers, and the general public can hype or deflate a cryptocurrency's value overnight. Number 4, risks and challenges. While there are exciting opportunities in the crypto market, it's essential to be aware of the risks and challenges. Volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its extreme volatility. Prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next, making it a risky investment. Number 5. The question of what is the next big cryptocurrency of 2023 remains a hot topic in the crypto community. While we've highlighted some promising contenders and key factors, it's essential to remember that the crypto market is unpredictable, and risks abound. As you explore the possibilities, keep these tips in mind. Do your research. Thoroughly research any cryptocurrency you're considering investing in. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your crypto portfolio to spread risk. Invest wisely, only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be unforgiving. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of the next big cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, remember to trade responsibly. Until next time, happy investing, and take care.